driving.
Look, it's our neighbors. Hello, neighbors. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yes, so are you. Are you cute? Yes, you are. Over there. Oh, it's bracing, it's cold. But this was worth a 6-hour drive. Hello and welcome to a day in the life with Iris at her cute holiday cottage. Andrew and the kids have gone out to climb Scafell Pike, which I would love to do as well, but my back is definitely not up for that. So I have got the very cute place to myself today. I'm planning to do some art, but first we gotta do some chores, starting with the dishes, because there is no dishwasher. Hello. The reason that we've got hot water is the wood burning stove. So we gotta feed it. And it's very hungry. Nice and toasty. The next task is filling the wood basket. This is all very novel. I call all the sheep outside my pets. Look, there are my pets. There they are. And sometimes they stand at the wall and then they look in and look at me. Anyway, I just wanted to chat to you because I don't think I have actually talked yet properly to the camera in this vlog, and it is a vlog. I did some art, which was nice, but I have to say that I love, you know, showing you how I go all over and I have a holiday and I do some art and I bring my art supplies and all that kind of stuff. But I find it actually quite difficult to do art when I am somewhere else. I realize that I require quite a lot of comfort when I want to really get into my process, and I actually find it quite difficult to get into my process when I am, you know, at the table that we also use for eating, so I know that I have to like clear it away when I'm done. It's kind of, and I don't have all my supply. Oh, they're running! The sheep! So cute. Hang on. There, they're going. Oh, cute! Oh my goodness. This is like the best thing ever. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't have my regular, I don't know, my regular space, my regular supplies. It's all like a little bit more difficult. That doesn't mean it's not possible, and I do enjoy it, and I'm glad I brought my stuff, and I'm glad I'm doing it, but it's not the same as at home, and I do find it easier at home in my own space. So I just think that's interesting, and that's important to acknowledge, because I know it's lovely to like romanticize things and stuff on social media, like have a retreat, go away on holiday, bring your art supplies, but there is definitely something to be said for acknowledging that it is different than when you're in your regular art space. I am having a day at home, as I said. Andrew and the boys have climbed Scafell Pike. I have heard from them. I am glad to say that they are still alive. I was a little bit worried, like I didn't know if it was going to be like dangerous and stuff like that, because you never know, like whatever the weather is here, you don't know what the weather is like up on a mountaintop. But it was very nice. They climbed to above the clouds. They sent me a video. So yeah, I'm very proud. I wish I could have done it myself, but I don't particularly enjoy climbing, and also my back definitely can't do it at the moment. So but it definitely made me think that it's something I might want to, you know, strengthen myself for if I can, to do something like that next time. I don't know. I don't think I do actually want to, because I just really, really dislike climbing mountains. I love walking like with a little bit of like a challenge, but I don't like mountain climbing. Anyway, what else? I am gonna just sit here and read my book. Maybe do some more art, I don't know. I also brought my sketchbook for the 8 weeks of inspiration course that Miranda Meulenkamp is running, which I am doing. And it's week 3 right now, but I don't have enough internet to actually watch the videos from week 3. So I'm still working on week 2 again, which is we're painting 4-legged animals. And at home I did drawings and paintings of teak, and now that I'm here, I was doing a little bit of like painting some sheep out the window, and I might go out in a little bit and take some pictures of the sheep so that I can paint those. I do think that it will be easier for me to do art if I am just like doing a task, as in like I am painting or drawing from these examples or from outside or whatever, rather than trying to get back into my own kind of art journaling process, because that is very specific and yeah, just not really something I feel like I can access just like that whilst I'm here. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog. All right, let's do it. I'm like self-conscious talking to myself even though there's nobody here. I've got my sketchbook, I've got a crayon and a woody. I've got the sun behind me. Oh, where is the sun? I was just looking at it. Oh, the camera can't see it. Trust me, the sun is behind me and it's kind of like, it looks like this big ball in the sky. I know that is what it is, but like it actually looks like it now. Let's open this gate. And let's go and have a look at some sheep. This sheep is my model. I'm taking lots of pictures of this one from lots of different angles. Oh, look, it's our cottage.